Today we are going to take you through the whole process of starting up with the Newegg Business Integration app. Step 1 comes the configuration. After installing the Newegg Business Integration app on your Shopify store, you have to complete the app's configuration using the API keys from your Newegg Business Seller Control Panel. To get the API keys, log into your Newegg Business Control Panel. Go to Data Feed Settings under Manage Accounts in the menu bar. Copy the default seller ID, API key, and secret key. And enter it on the Newegg Business Integration app setup page. Click on the checkbox corresponding to I agree to your terms and conditions and click next. Step 2 comes product import. At this step, you have to import products from your Shopify to Newegg Business app. When selecting the filter, apply filter for option, you get to choose from one of the options available in the drop-down menu to import. Product type. Import the product based on product type assigned to your Shopify store. Product vendor. Import the product based on vendor from your Shopify store. Smart Collection lets you import the product based on auto collection created in your Shopify store. Custom Collection helps you import the product based on the manual collection created in your Shopify store. Once the products get successfully imported, the following confirmation message will appear on your screen. Step 3 comes dashboard of the app. App's dashboard is designed to provide product information, and the total number of successfully imported products will get displayed here. The dashboard also shows the number of products having status as active, inactive, submitted, not uploaded, and uploaded with error. Step 4 is profiling. Profiling is a set of rules that we apply to the products to put them into collections. For example, using product type and product vendor, the details provided in the profile are sent with the products when published on Newegg Business. To add a new profile, click on the button Add New Profile. The page that opens will present the following sections from which you have to select. Conditions. Here, you select the products you want to place under the new profile. Choose from any conditions and all conditions and select product types and apply the conditions based on product properties for which you want to create the profile. Now, it's time to select the relevant templates. Category template. Select the Newegg category and the subcategory under which you want to put the Newegg profile products. Now you have to map the variants of Shopify attributes with Newegg attributes. Once done, map the Newegg values with Shopify values and click Save. Now that your template is ready, click on the Save button. Step 5 is product uploading. To upload products, you will have to go to the App Panel's product and select all products from the drop-down menu. In the panel, products get displayed with a checkbox on the left side of the product grid. These checkboxes are against each product, which you can list on Newegg Business. Select the products you wish to upload and click on the bulk action to select upload products. Now you have to click on the action button to confirm the upload. Once done, a confirmation message appears on your screen. To update the product's submitter status, you'll have to visit the feed section. Here, you can see the details related to your product such as created at, feed status, feed type, and feed ID. Select the products from the checkbox and get update feed status from the bulk action drop-down menu. Now click action and wait. The confirmation status will get displayed on the screen. Now you can see the feed status for the selected products as completed. Now go back to the all products page and select the uploaded products once again and set the bulk action drop down to status update. Now you have to click on the action button. A confirmation status gets displayed on the screen and your product status gets changed to active. So this was the whole process of setting up the Newegg Business Integration app. Thank you for your time.